Hi, hello, welcome to your home school. Last session we have started exercise 1.3 of arithmetic progression. Okay, we are going to continue now. After 3 minutes, fourth problem we are going to start here. Let's see the problem here. How many terms of the AP of the arithmetic progression? Look over here, progression 9, 17, 25, so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. Okay, let's see once again how many terms. So here AP you can see, right? Like this, how many terms sum is 636 is your question. Okay, so what do we know here? We know SN here. Sum of these all numbers is 636. But how many numbers? We don't know how many numbers. We should find how many numbers make the sum 636. Okay, so let's write here. Let me write the given arithmetic sequence here. 9, 17, 25, so on. Okay, so start A1, A2, A3, so on. Okay. So, look here, try to understand this, children. What is the question here? How many terms of this AP must be taken to give a sum? Sum is equal to 636. Okay, if you add all these terms, how many terms we don't know, we have to calculate. After adding, you are going to get your answer 636. How many numbers you are going to add is your question. So let's write. A1 is equal to A is equal to 9. Okay. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is this A2 minus A1 here, children? By the sequence we are going to take. Okay. So now A2 value is 17 minus 9. Okay, 17 minus 9 will be how much here? It will be 8. What's your D value? 8. Right? Now, what we are going to write? Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of n terms formula. Okay. So why I have taken here Sn? They have given sum of the terms Sn is equal to 336. Okay. So let's substitute here. Sn value is 636 and we don't know n value, right? N by 2 into a value is 9 plus n minus 1 into d value is 8. Okay. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 9 2s are 18 plus 8 into n minus 1. 8n minus 8. Okay. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 minus 8 will be 10 plus 18. Look here, children, you can take 2 common here. Okay, let's take out common here. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2. Let me take out common here. If you take 2 common, what it will be? 2 5s are 10. 5 plus, if you take here 2 common, 2 4s are 8. So 4n will be left. This 2 will be cancelled. So finally, 636 is equal to 5 into n, 5n, plus n into 4n, 4n square. We get an equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. What we got here, children? We got one equation here. 4n square plus 5n. Bring this 636 this side. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Did we get n value? No, we did not. Still, we have to factorize the equation. Okay. So, look over here. Let's factorize this equation. How to do, children? Once again, you remember here the number what you have here 4 and minus 636. Let us multiply. Minus 636 into 4. What it will be? 4 6 are 24. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 will be 14. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 will be 25. What it is now? You need to write once again. Let me write here 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. Okay. So, minus 2544, you need to calculate the factors. How to take, suppose if it is 12, 18 or any other small numbers, we can directly say 9 2s are 18, 4 3s are 12 or 9 10s are 90. Like this we can guess. But this is a big number. How could you find this? There is one technique I'll show you. What is that? We can do the LCM for this, children. Okay. So let me remove here minus. Let's do here LCM. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then again 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are look here, children. Here 0. Don't forget. 2 6 are 12. And then when you continue other number, you have to keep in between 0. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. Which table now? Again, let's take 3 table now. 3 2s are 6. 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Now again, 2 table. 2 10s are 20. 2 6 are 12. Again, 2 5s are 2 3s are. Further, I cannot do LCM here. So now, how to take the factors here? By the way, when you take these two factors, if you add or subtract, you should get plus 5. Okay, let's see here. How could you get here? 53 now. So you need to multiply. How to multiply? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 2s are 48. Okay, 48 and 53. I think you may get 5. But how could you get plus 5 here? Plus 53 minus 48 will give you plus 5. Okay, listen here carefully, children. This is all rough work you can do. Okay, now what are the factors here we found? 53 and let me take first minus 48 plus 53. Okay, what are the factors for minus 2544 here, children? Minus 48 and plus 53. So now write the equation once again here. 4n square minus 48n plus 53n minus 636 equal to 0. Okay. Now in these two, is there anything common? Let's see here what is common. 4 is common. 4n is common. Okay. 4n, if you remove in 4n square, n will be left. Minus 4 12s are 48. And already you have taken out. Plus 53 is common in these two. Again, you are going to get n minus 12 equal to 0. Now look over here, children. In these two, what is common? N minus 12 is common. Take out n minus 12 into 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. Okay. So any one set n minus 12 equal to 0 or 4n plus 53 equal to 0. Now bring this minus 12 this side, plus 12, and here plus 53 bring other side, minus 53. That is 4 is a multiple, send other side, minus 53 by 4. So finally look here, children, what we got here, n is equal to 12 or n is equal to minus 53 by 4. As we know, n value cannot be negative. So you know now how to count. First number, second number, third number we count. But when you are counting anywhere decimal, you will say no, or a negative value will say no, right? Therefore, we cannot consider this value, and we say that in this AP, sum of 12 terms make the value 636. Okay, once again, let me give you the recap here. Please look here, children. In your exams, important questions in your mind, if you feel. From here, you can decide. Okay, in this exercise, from fourth problem to last problem, all are important. So when you are doing, be careful, listen 2-3 times and then do this problem. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 so on must be taken to give a sum of 636? How many numbers make the sum 636? Understand the question in your own way. You can write, yes, 9 plus 17 plus 25 plus so on is equal to 636. Okay, how many numbers make the sum 636 is your question. So A1, A2, A3 you'll write, right? First term is none other than A. Then D, A2 minus A1. 17 minus 9, that will be 8. Sn, sum of n terms means Sn is equal to 636. As you know, apply Sn formula. Okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, slowly substitute. If you go on substituting, you are going to get an equation. Okay, answer is not ended here. This equation we need to factorize. Don't feel difficult by seeing the big numbers, right? Nothing will happen. Slowly you do the factorization, multiplying this 4 and minus 636 and take factors for this number through LCM you can take. Okay, take the factors in such a way that you should get the middle number. Okay, then take out common and what you are going to get, final answer will be n is equal to 12. Therefore, 12 terms make the sum 636. Fifth problem, the first term of an AP is 5. First term means A, right? Let me write here. First term A is equal to 5. Okay. The last term is 45. Last term, as you know, you can say it as AN or L. Anyway, you can write AN is equal to L is equal to 45. And the sum is 400. Which sum is 400? From here, imagine the problem here, children. See, your sequence starting from 5 to last number is 45. Okay, so sum of starting from 5 to 45, all these numbers sum is 400, means equal to 400. So let me write here. Try to understand the problem here. First term known, last term known, sum of all these sequence is equal to 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Number of terms means what? N is equal to question mark and common difference means D is equal to question mark. See these verbal problems first. We should understand the problem and we should analyze what given, what we have to do. Okay. So now first term is A, last term is L. So Sn known. What is this 400 children? Sn. So let us use the formula. Sum of n terms when first term and last term is given. That is n by 2 into A plus L. Sn value is 400 is equal to, we don't know n by 2 into. A value is how much? 5 and your L value is 45. 400, this 2 send this side, 400 into 2, that will be 800 is equal to n into 5 plus 45. Or you can just add this, 800 is equal to n into 50. And next step, you can divide. 800 by 50 is equal to n. 0, 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. Therefore, how many terms make the sum 400? 16 terms make the sum 400. The question is not completed, still there. And the common difference, you need to find the common difference. So how could you find here? Let's take here an formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is your n value here? 16. A 16 is equal to, yeah, a value is 5, n value is 16. 16 minus 1 into d, you don't know. What is your last term is this one only, no? An or a16 is equal to how much? 45 minus 5. Bring this 5 this side. 16 minus 1 will be 15d. 45 minus 5 will be 40 is equal to 15d. Okay. So now d is equal to, bring this 15 this side, 40 by 15. 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. So finally, what is your common difference? D is equal to 8 by 3. Okay, is this follow? Your sixth problem. The first and the last terms of an arithmetic progression are 17 and 350. Okay, so what is your first term here? First and last at a time given here and two numbers given here. First term goes to the first number. Last term, we should take the last number. First term given. First term a is equal to 17 and last term L or an is equal to 350. If the common difference is 9, common difference means what? D. Small d is equal to 9. How many terms? How many terms means what? N value. We don't know n value. Okay? Are there and what is their sum? Means what? Sum of n terms. Look here children, this line is very important. What is given? First term, last term given and the common difference given. What you need to calculate? How many terms are there and what is their sum? Okay, let's start. So now, what we are going to take here? We don't know Sn or we don't know n value. So how could you start here? You can take here n value by taking the an formula. Okay, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? What is an children? 350. And what is your a value? 17. We don't know n, right? Into 9. 350 minus 17. Bring the 17 this side. Minus 17 is equal to 9 into n minus 1. As it is, you write. So now, what is 350 minus 17 here? It will be 343. Okay. Is it 343 only? Sorry, 333. Okay. 333. Now this 9 is a multiple, right? By 9. Okay, is equal to n minus 1. So look here children, it's very easy. Okay, if you feel it is difficult, it will be difficult. Otherwise, it will be very easy. So now, 9 3s are, and again 9 3s are how much? 27. 63 you are going to have here, right? 37 is equal to n minus 1, where n is equal to 37 plus 1, n is equal to 38. So finally, how many terms are there here? There are 38 terms. Okay, n value we got. Now what we need to do? Sum of these terms, right? Sum of these terms means what? Yes, 38. Okay, S38. Which is the formula you need to do here? We know first term and last term, no? So better go for n by 2 into a value is 17 and your L value is 350. Children, this formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So that will be, let's cancel this. 2 ones are 2 nines are 19 into, what is this? 367. Okay, so 367 into 19, what it will be? I've done already this one. It will be 6,973. Okay, you slowly multiply this one. Therefore, yes, 38 is equal to 609.73. Sum of how many terms are there? There are 38 terms and their sum is 6,973. So once again, let's repeat this problem. These are very, very important. The first and the last term of an AP. First term and last term of an AP are 70 and 350. Common difference is 9. And how many terms are there in this? And what is their sum? How many terms? N value. What is their sum? Sn. Okay. So here, look here, children. When we should take Sn, when we should take An, you should know. Look here. If you want to take Sn, no, you don't know Sn. You don't know N also. Two terms, if you don't know, you cannot find that. Okay. So look over An here. If you want to calculate An value known, A value known, D value known. Only N term is missing. So first go with the An formula. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, An value substitute, A value N minus 1 into 9. Finally, your N value is how much here? 38. So therefore, there are 38 terms and what is their sum? Sum of those 38 terms is equal to 6,973. Okay, children, thank you for watching. So next problems we are going to continue in the next session. Please subscribe.